So z is 3 plus 4i and w is 2 minus 3i. We want to find and simplify the following. So this will end up being 3 plus 4i over I. And the point is that you're not allowed to leave a complex number or any irrational in the denominator. You've met this situation before with rational numbers, where you're not allowed to leave irrational numbers in the denominator, and you go through a process called rationalizing the denominator. Here the process is called realizing the denominator. We need to make it real. And a good way to do that here is just multiply top and bottom by I. So what we end up with is 3i plus 4i squared, so that's just going to be minus 4 over negative 1. And if we divide it by negative 1, that will change the sign of both things on the top, so we'll get 4 minus 3i. So with this one here, we'll have 2 minus 3i over 3 plus 4i. Now the trick here is to multiply by what's known as the conjugate. We haven't looked at the conjugate yet, but we mentioned it once before. And that would be 3 minus 4i. So look at the denominator, and you have the same real part and the opposite sign imaginary part, and that's making use of the difference of two squares on the bottom. So if we expand out the top, what do we get? We're going to get 6 minus 9i minus 8i plus 12i squared. On the bottom, it's difference of two squares, so we're just basically going to get 9 minus 16i squared. So this would be negative 12, so we've got negative 6 take away 17i, and on the bottom that becomes plus 16, so we just get 25.